Welcome back to Thrilla Art, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just have a quick video for you today. I had planned to do something completely different than what you're seeing here, but the day got away from me and I ran out of time, so I just had to do something a little quicker. I decided to try to work on a new character concept of like a jet fighter bird or falcon who wears like the cool jet fighter Maverick mask, you know, from like Top Gun. But then it kind of led to some problems, and I was second guessing myself throughout this whole drawing. And I think there's a lot of things I could have done a lot better on it. So I may try to go back and touch this one up and put an ink wash on it and make it look a bit better. This one could stand to use a lot more details than I put on it. So yeah, it looks like there's things missing on it. I'll give you that. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And that's going to do it for now for the bomber bird. He definitely looks like he's not finished. So I will probably go back and try to put some details in him. Once again, thanks for watching Thrilla Art. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll catch you next time. And until next time, keep drawing, everybody.